Hey guys, today let's learn how to view other viewers on our Facebook story on the iPhone. So in the case that you guys would like to go ahead and view the people or know who those people are named as others over on your Facebook application, in this video tutorial I'm going to go ahead and teach you guys how to view that. So please watch this video until the end to find out just how. So guys, basically what we can do in order for us to have a quick workaround with this issue, or basically to see those other viewers, is to just go ahead and try to view that over on your Facebook application. And then I want you to go ahead and, well, post a specific Facebook story, and basically those people in the others category are those people who are basically not friends with you and are able to view your, let's say, story. So basically, how do we know who are those people who we are in friends with but are able to view our story? Well, that is going to be easily located over on our profile. Just tap on your names and it is going to be located on the people that follow you. So as you would notice, if we go ahead and view our public info and we have this option to view the followers that follow us, we can actually go ahead and view as well those followers, and those followers are actually the people who might view our Facebook story minted as others. So that is the way that we can actually go ahead and view those people and know who they are. Just go ahead and tap on your following list, view your followers, and you can actually go ahead and just have a general idea. It might be them. Of course, you can't necessarily pinpoint the specific person who has viewed that story as others, but this is going to give you a general idea of who that person may be through this list. So that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one, and take care.